ला गेट पेपर 3 अक्टूबर 2021 और जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का जो हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान है उसके अंदर जो है वो 18 अमेंडमेंट के मतलब जो MCQs हैं उसके ऊपर ये तफसीली वीडियो है। और पहला MCQ था द 18 अमेंडमेंट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाज पास्ड बाय द नेशनल असेंबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान ऑन अप्रैल 8, 2010। 18th Amendment renamed of the NWFP to the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which amendment curtailed the power of the President of Pakistan. 18th Amendment will be passed by the Senate of the Pakistan in 15 अप्रैल 2010 को पास हुई थी। The 18th Amendment became Act of the Parliament when Parliament Asif Zardari put his signature on the bill on April 19, 2010. It was the first time of the Pakistan history that नीचे आ गया प्रेसिडेंट relinquish the significant part of his power willingly and transfer them to the parliament and office of the prime minister. Power of president finally restored during the presidency of the General Pervez Musharraf by the 17th amendment. The bill is the first bill since 1973 to decrease the powers of the president since 1973. उसके बाद में आ गया the power of the amendment to the dissolve the parliament with enacting 18th amendment of the constitution of Pakistan during the presidency of the General Ziaul Haq. The name of the former president of the Pakistan has been removed from the next of the constitution. General Ziaul Haq. Northwest frontier provinces has been named Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 12 number पे आ गया the 17th amendment of the legal framework order as introduced by the Pervez Musharraf has been repealed. The ban on the third time prime ministership on the chief minister has been lifted. Holding constitution in abeyance is a tantamount to high treason. The Council of the Common Interest CCI has been constituted with the Prime Minister as its chairperson, and the body should meet at least one in the 90 days. Chief Election Commissioner will be appointed through the consensus between Treasury and the opposition. Establishment of Islamabad High Court and the benches of the High Court is the Bangora and Turbat. A judicial commission will recommend the appointment proceed the superior judges, and the final name of the judges will be decided by the parliamentary commissions. उसके बाद the concurrent legislative list has been abolished and the more autonomy has been vested in the provinces. 292 and 342 members of the National Assembly, the lower house of the parliament, voted in the favor of the amendment 292. The amendment turns the president into a ceremonial head of the state and the transfer of the power of the prime minister. 18th amendment removes the limit on the prime minister serving more than the 2 terms. उसके बाद में आ गया नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंसेस renamed Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in accordance with the wishes of the Pashtun majority population. The 18th amendment will also be enhances the provincial autonomy. उसके बाद में the president who is no longer able to declare the emergency rule in the province ultimately unilaterally. However, violence broke into the northwest. और उसके बाद में आ गया कि ये इसका हिंदू का स्पीकिंग पॉपुलेशन अब चल रहा है लास्ट इसके 5 रह गए. तो अमंग अदर चेंजेस कोर्स विल नो लॉन्गर एबल टू इंडोर्स सुपरपोजिशन ये सारे पार्ट के इलेक्शन कमीशन ये सारे पढ़ ले लंबे. जुडिशियल कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बॉडी क्रिएटेड बाय द 18th अमेंडमेंट इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान. फंडामेंटल राइट्स इंक्लूडिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन राइट ऑल ऑफ द अबव 10, 25, 19 सब के अंदर उन्होंने फंडामेंटल राइट रखे. 18वें अमेंडमेंट में राइट ऑफ फेयर डिस्क्राइब रहने राइट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्क्राइब 19 राइट टू एजुकेशन डिस्क्राइब 25 है. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग और मजीद वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल कानून बोलता है जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर ले. देखते रहिए कानून बोलता है.